Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore offer strategy using Redfin Estimate detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Redfin into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Redfin website link. Once the home page loads, look for the search bar at the top. Enter the address of the property you want to analyze. Press enter to view the property details. Once the property page opens, locate the Redfin Estimate section. This section provides an estimated market value based on various data. Take note of the current estimate shown. Scroll down to find details about recent sales in the area. Identify comparable properties to your own. Review their sale prices and how they compare to your current estimate. Next, click on the Price History tab. Carefully examine the price changes over time. This can provide insights into market trends. Now, return to the main property information. Consider the features of your property in comparison to others. Assess any unique characteristics that may affect value. Make adjustments to your offering strategy based on this data. Calculate a competitive price that reflects the current market. To finalize your offer strategy, write down your findings. Craft a clear plan that outlines your pricing and terms. Ensure your strategy is flexible to adapt to market changes. Keep this document handy for reference during negotiations. You are now equipped to restore your offer strategy using the Redfin Estimate. Review your approach regularly to stay aligned with market dynamics. This guide should enhance your confidence in making informed offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.